What is going on, guys? In this review, we'll be looking at the UE Roll 2, a portable Bluetooth speaker that prides itself on being waterproof and usable anywhere. Now before we begin, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more reviews, unboxings and tutorials. Now let's get started. The UE Roll 2 has a simplistic and easily recognizable design with two large volume buttons on the front. The back of the speaker is plain, excluding the colored bungee cord and the hidden flap. Under the flap is a 3.5mm input for wired connections and a micro USB port for charging. The Roll 2 weighs 330 grams with a diameter of 135mm and a height of 40mm, making it light and portable. In terms of waterproofing, the Roll 2 is IPX7 rated, meaning that it can be submerged 1 meter underwater for up to 30 minutes. In addition, the speaker is rugged, resulting in it being able to withstand most conditions. This speaker can be used at the pool or beach without the need to worry about it getting wet and damaged. In addition to wired connections by plugging in an aux cord, the Roll 2 can operate wirelessly for up to 30 meters. From my testings, this was accurate, however through walls, more signal drops were experienced. The power button has a light, which shows the current state of the speaker. When it is solid white, the speaker is on, while when charging, the light begins to flash. When the Roll 2 is turned on when on low battery, there is a message from the speaker telling the user to charge it. Ultimate ears suggest that the battery can last up to 9 hours. It does seem to hold up. From my experience, charging this speaker from 0 to 100% takes many hours, meaning you have to charge it before you plan on using it. This can be a hassle if you are outdoors without a place to recharge. Now let's talk about the bungee cord. This is my favorite part of the speaker. It is extremely useful in many situations. It can be used to hang the Roll 2 on the wall or tie it around a pole so it doesn't have to be in the usual places like on a table. Combine this with its waterproofing and playing music in the shower is easy. To enhance the speaker functionality, Ultimate Ears has developed an app that displays the battery level, sets an alarm and allows the Roll 2 to be turned on and off wirelessly. It also offers the function to connect two Roll 2s to play the same music, creating a surround sound experience. Another great function of the app is that it allows two people to simultaneously connect to the speaker and play music from their own phone. This is extremely useful in group situations, where everyone wants to play their own music. Since it is a speaker, you are probably wondering about the sound quality. While there is nothing exceptional about it, the speakers certainly live up to the party theme. It is able to play music at quite high volumes before experiencing notable drops in quality. However, for those who require clear sound, the Roll 2 may not meet your expectations. For a casual user and music listener like myself, the UE Roll 2 is certainly a product worth considering. Its small size and durability means I can take it anywhere without having to worry about it getting dirty or breaking down due to water. Its 360 degrees circular design contributes to the clear sound quality, making it useful for large rooms and parties. I would recommend the Roll 2 to anyone who is looking for portable outdoor speakers, which also have a colorful and unique design. If you enjoyed this review and would like to see more, like this video and subscribe to my channel. There will be many more reviews, unboxings and tutorials coming in the near future. And remember guys, whatever you do, don't forget to keep it real.